Have you ever gotten that sinking feeling when you reach for your phone, ready to fire off a quick text to a colleague, only to realize there's no texting option in RingCentral? Yep, you're not alone. RingCentral, a powerful business communication platform, offers a ton of features, but native text messaging functionality isn't one of them. So what gives? Why can't we seemingly do something as simple as texting within RingCentral? Well, buckle up, because it's not as straightforward as a missing button. There's actually a complex interplay between technology, security, and business needs at work here. Let's dive into the reasons why RingCentral doesn't offer texting and explore some alternative solutions to keep your communication flowing. Reason number 1. Security concerns. Think about it. Text messages are notoriously insecure. They travel unencrypted across networks, making them vulnerable to interception. Imagine sending a confidential message about a client or a strategic business decision, nasty stuff to fall into the wrong hands. RingCentral, as a business communication platform, prioritizes security. They offer features like data encryption and message traceability to ensure your conversations stay confidential. Letting unencrypted texts fly through the system would be a major security risk. Reason number 2. Feature focus. RingCentral focuses on providing a robust suite of features specifically designed for business communication. Think voice calls, video conferencing, file sharing, all within a secure and reliable platform. Texting, while convenient for personal communication, might not be the most efficient way to conduct business conversations within a team. RingCentral aims to provide tools that facilitate more structured and documented communication, which texting often lacks. Reason number 3. Integration challenges. Integrating SMS functionality into a platform like RingCentral isn't exactly a walk in the park. There are compatibility issues with different carriers, SMS gateways to manage, and a whole new layer of complexity to add to the system. For RingCentral, focusing on core functionalities like secure voice and video calls might make more sense from a development and maintenance standpoint. Alternative solutions. Keeping the conversation flowing. So, RingCentral might not be your texting haven, but that doesn't mean you're stuck without options. Here are a few workarounds to keep those quick messages flowing. Third-party SMS integration. Some business communication solutions integrate with third-party SMS platforms. This allows you to send and receive texts through RingCentral's interface, but leverages a separate SMS provider for the actual messaging. Do some research to see if RingCentral offers such integrations, or if there are compatible third-party options for your business needs. Team messaging apps. Plenty of secure team messaging apps exist, like Slack or Microsoft Teams. These can be great for quick chats, file sharing, and keeping conversations organized within your team. While not directly integrated with RingCentral, they can serve as a valuable communication channel alongside it. Use RingCentral's built-in features. Don't underestimate the power of RingCentral's core functionalities. Short voice calls or quick video chats can often be more efficient ways to communicate than lengthy text threads. RingCentral even offers features like voicemail transcription and call recording, which can be helpful for capturing and documenting important conversations. While the lack of native texting in RingCentral might be a head-scratcher at first, there are valid reasons behind it. Security concerns.